Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the super cute character PB, who is a really cute pig from the new Super Pets League movie. Sorry, I said Super Pets League movie. The DC League of Super Pets. So let's see. Before we start drawing, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. All of that is amazing. Any of that is amazing. All right, so I'm going to start with a cute little nose, and it's going to be kind of a triangle shape, but we don't have points. We've got little rounded spots instead of points. And we can do nostrils, so they're almost like little slanted raindrops for these little piggy nostrils. And then we can do a curve here, great big curve. And now I'm going to do an open mouth like that. And we can do a little hill on the inside for a tongue. And then we're going to do a little line like that. So next, let's work on the eyes. Actually, let's do a little line right here first for the nose. Now I'm going to do one of the eyes. So I'm going to do a shape like this. And on the inside, we're going to do a circle. And then we're going to have a circle up top and a circle in the middle. And that middle one, I'm going to color in all dark. And now the top of that, I'm going to make it pretty thick and color that in dark. But just that top part like that. Now, right here by the nose, we're going to bring up a little line like that. And now we can get started on the other eye. So it's going to be similar to what we did already. We're going to do a shape like that and do a circle on the inside, another circle up top, and a circle there in the middle, and color that one in all dark. And then we can thicken up the very top and color that in all black. And they don't have to be a perfect match, but we can try to make them kind of match, but it's okay if they don't. Like mine don't, but it's still gonna be okay. All right, so next we are going to do a bit of the face shape. So I'm coming down here on the side, and we can do a great big cheek, and then come on inward, and then under, and up top here, we can curve up this way, and we're going to do a little bit of a V shape now, like there in the middle of the forehead, and kind of curve right here, and now we can do an ear, like that. And a little slanted line this way. And now right here, let's come on up and then come on down. So we've got like a little crown, and then we can do a star in the middle. Got all these points. Okay, and now on the other side, we can do another ear. And a little line on the inside. And now we're going to do a little bit of a line right here. It's going to be the top of the head. And I'm going to do a little curve right here because there's going to be like a little spot right there. Now here, let's come on down. I'm going to do a little bit more of a curve right here for the cheek. And continuing on down that way. Now right here, I'm going to put in a little line going this way. It's going to be the start of an arm. And then I can finish this line here. So I'm going to curve right there and then come on up. And now I'm going to make a little shape like this and then curve. And that's one arm done. And now we can do another one right here. And same as what we did on the other side. So a little curve there, bring that on in. And then same little strange shape and a little curve. So now we've got the two front legs done. Front arms. All right, so now let's do a bit of a cape. So this is going to be kind of flowing with the wind here, kind of flowing upwards. And we can kind of give that cape a bit of movement, a little bit of flow. And bring it back on down there. And this cape is going to have lots of stars on it. So we can do our best to make all kinds of stars. They don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be in the exact spots that I'm putting them in. They can be wherever. And I'm going to have one here that's kind of slightly off right there. And up top here. And I'll put one down here. And one right here. All right, so next, let's start from under the front leg here. And do a little curve and come on up. And then I'm going to do another line, another curve, following that same one we just did. And now let's do the back legs. So we got a little line here for a bit of a belly. And then curving on down. And then we're going to do the leg. Okay, so a little shape like that. And now we can do like a little foot. Like that. And a little curve. And we're going to have the fourth foot. It's going to be kind of showing here at the end. Here kind of in behind. And we can do a little curve. And a little curve. And right here we're going to have a little spot. And of course we've got a little tail. All right folks, so that's it for our sketch, and now I'm going to get started coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.